Tearaway stabilizers. What are they? Hello and welcome to Creative Skills, another informative video. We're going to discuss tearaway stabilizers today. To learn more about stabilizers, see our prior videos. Machine embroidery necessitates the use of a stabilizer, also known as backing in the industry. It is used to prevent puckering or stretching of the fabric during the stitching process. Stabilizers for machine sticking is an essential support. It is utilized to stabilize the tissue throughout the stitching process so that it does not pick or stretch. Tearaway stabilizers are employed when the majority of surplus stabilizers are removed from the rear of the project after sticking. They are suitable for all manufacturing applications except extended textiles or knits. Types of tearaway stabilizers. Heavyweight tearaway. Tears away very cleanly and easily, stiff edges are easy to grasp. Supports a large number of stitches. Great for items that need more support for heavier stitch count designs. Medium weight tearaway. Available only in black. Firm tearaway, but very easy to remove. Ultra clean tearaway. The soft medium weight tearaway stabilizer. Removes very easily, does not stress the stitches as it is removed. Remaining fibers will easily wash away as the project is laundered. Lightweight tearaway. The lightest weight of the tearaway stabilizers adds very little weight to the project. Easy to tear away, leaving a very clean edge. Can be printed on and used for paper piecing. Great for use when stitching decorative stitches on the sewing side. Available in a fusible version. How to remove. Put your stitching on a level surface on the stabilizer side. Support your finger stitches while you carefully take away the extra stabilizer. Several narrow open spaces can be quite difficult to eliminate within the design and can be left behind. These regions will ultimately dissolve with repeated washes for most tearing off stabilizers. More than 25 years of experience and our deep knowledge in embroidery digitizing makes us skillfully proficient for all your embroidery needs. We are well versed in every possible angle of the industry. We have been flourishing for over 2.5 decades and have evolved some wonderful techniques of our own that allow us to provide quality. To learn more about our services, please contact us using the information provided in the description box below.